Not really. Hi! Is it me you're looking for? Because if it is, then you found me. I'm Angela and you're watching Penny Tree Treasures. Take two. Take two. Take three. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for joining me and thanks for coming back. I am so excited to be doing this video for you because I have a super awesome DIY and it's going to be really easy for you to do at home, and hopefully it will be helpful in your crafting adventures. But first, let me show you a couple of other things I picked up at the Dollar Tree along with these two items. So the first one is this Wet n Wild contouring brush. So super soft. I get really easily distracted, and this brush is distracting me so much, but I'm not going to use it for makeup. I'm going to use it for crafting paint purposes. I'll let you know how it turns out. I picked up another notebook because it was so pretty, and they came out with a bunch of new sayings on all their... So I'm looking at the reflection of that. Again, easily distracted. Hand sanitizer, because when you're going thrifting as much as we do, you need this in your car because you squirt this stuff every single time you come out of a thrift store. Yeah, you need this in thrifting life for sure. Dun 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 dun. 2 Blu-ray movies. Now they have movies in the Dollar Tree often, but I don't know if they don't get a lot of Blu-rays in or people buy them up really fast. But we have 22 Jump Street and Foxcatcher, which subsequently are both Channing Tatum movies, which I'm kind of excited about. A couple of more things, and then we'll get into the DIY part. We found some more mugs! Yes! These are the False Craft Everyday brand. If you haven't seen the other video, click that little eye right there, and you'll be able to see that video where I hauled 2 more mugs like this. False Craft Everyday. I just really like the pretty colors on this one, and my husband picked this one out. The husband picked this out, and then I realized adventures are the best way to learn, and this one says there's always hope. It's got a little heart, and it's double-sided, which I really like. And these are 18 ounces, both 18-ounce mugs. Okay, so let's get into, now I'm going to show you what you've all been waiting for. It's this! Oh my gosh. Okay, so now I know you're looking at this and you're like, what? A pizza cutter and a cutting mat? But wait, there is more to this than meets the eye. And you will see that in 1 second. So, I'm using, again, chopping mats. Get 2 in a package. Chopping mats from Cooking Concepts. Chopping mats from Cooking Concepts. And Professionals pizza cutter. Pretty pink. Okay. Tea is in my cup in case you were wondering. You're going to need... So what you're going to need is this L-shaped ruler from the Dollar Tree. You're going to need a Sharpie, pencil, and an eraser. And the cutting mat. And what we're going to do is we're going to make 1-inch squares over this entire mat. We want to go to the inch side. Now this skinny part right here is 1 inch in width. It's important to remember that. I've done this a couple of different ways so far, and this is the easiest way for me to show you how to do this. So you just find the edge of the mat with the edge of this. And then you just go down the ruler and you make lines like that. Just make lines like this. And like that, and then like that. And that line doesn't match up. So this is why you need an eraser. And then You just take it. And you just want to make sure this edge matches up with this edge. And you just take this and you draw the line all the way up. Or you don't have to go all the way up. Just enough to where you can find the line again. And you just keep going down the board. See if that one matches up. Looks good enough. So now I'm going to make sure that these match up to those lines. They look pretty decent. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that. So you just do this on both sides. So yeah, so it looks like that. And now, here's the fun part. You just have to have it down and then that. Now here's the fun part. We take our Sharpie. And we just follow the line. Well, there you have it, folks. This is what it looks like finished. This is what it looks like on the shiny side. And now let's test it. It's got a beveled edge on the one side and it's kind of flat on the other. Let's see. So I have a couple of different things I want to see if they cut. I have Dollar Tree catalog. I just want to see. No!
It doesn't cut! Are you kidding me? You have to press hard. How is this? Okay, that doesn't cut paper. Well, at least I have it to cut pizza. Little box cutter. Let's see if this works. Okay. Yeah. That's gonna work. So I want it to be 2 inches by 2 inches. So I do that and then you just follow the line. Look at that. So now I have a 2-inch square that would have took me forever to measure out if I used scissors. I'll show you.
My brilliant idea was not so brilliant, but I'm actually really excited about having this measurable mat now, because with a box cutter, you can now make straight lines by matching up just by eyeballing it side to side. So now you have like a way to make like squares. That's not perfect, I know, but do that. So now all I gotta do is do that. Does that cut all the way through? It doesn't cut all the way through, but you have to be careful. I wouldn't press too hard on this thing. But now I have a 1-inch square. So yeah. I was really cutting mat. So all I got out of it was a cutting mat. But I have 2 cutting mats that are measurable. I would call this a measurable success. This not so much, but now I have a new pizza cutter. So yeah, that's my video. I hope this has inspired you in some way and at least entertain you. So yeah, thanks for joining me. Thank you for being you. Remember to like this video, comment, And subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because you don't want to miss awesomeness like this every week. So yeah, that's that. Thanks for joining me. Thank you for being you, and I will catch you in the next one.